Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and this Model Y that I have to share with you today is very unique because it actually has more accessories on it than any other Model Y we have ever done a video on. And that's because T Sportline has a wide range with so many new interior and exterior accessories for the Model Y. So let's get right into it, starting off with the exterior. It came to us in midnight silver metallic, beautiful paint job from Tesla, but as you all know, applying PPF film, paint protection film, is extremely popular. And this film is available in two different types. You have the Ultimate Series, which is gloss, translucent. It keeps and maintains the same look of the car. But the Stealth Series, as we used on this car, does exactly what it says. It makes your paint have a stealth appearance or a satin appearance. And that's really cool on midnight silver metallic. So we wrapped the whole car, we protected it, and now we went ahead and started with all the accessories. Starting off with simple details like the front and rear Tesla T emblems. Those are normally chrome, they are now satin black. So we're starting with this theme, right? This is the exterior theme. Satin, matte finishes, right? So the car is stealth, the T's are satin black, the window trim, the door handles from Tesla is satin black, and continuing with that theme, we went ahead and changed the wheels and tires and actually downsized all the way down to our very popular new 18-inch. 18-inch wheels and tires that fit all specs of Model Y, even performance, with no mounting adapters, no spacers, no rings. Matter of fact, you use the real original Tesla lug nuts to bolt them on your car. These are our TSS wheels. They're finished in satin black, and that is a perfect match with the rest of the satin on the car. Now, let's talk about the new matte carbon fiber side mirror caps. These side mirror caps are really cool. They are carbon fiber, it's the real deal. Very easy to install. The customer wanted to stick with that satin matte theme, so we have matte carbon fiber side mirror caps. Another brand new item for us are our matte carbon fiber side camera housings, right? These are our cameras that are on the front fenders of the car. They're normally black. They are now matte carbon fiber. So that's another very cool accessory. Additionally, we added matte carbon fiber mud flaps front and rear. And these are extremely effective because it helps reduce any type of road debris and rock chips and things that gather up while driving to go ahead and hit the car. So now we're at the back of the vehicle, and thanks to a partnership with our friends at AlphaRex, we offer these really cool taillights. Now, besides the fact that they look awesome and they are available in two different styles, this is the jet black with kind of like a smoke interior, and then we have a cherry red also. But for this stealth appearance, again, this was the right fit. So they look really cool when they're off. Now, when the car turns on, this is how they look. This is like with the headlights on and you're driving. So much cooler and actually safer while driving because these LED lights are so much brighter than the original ones that came with the Model Y. Now, let's talk about the rest of the functionality. When you turn on your blinker, this is what it looks like. When you're in reverse, this is what the people behind you will see, and look how bright those LEDs are in there. Really great, really visible, and probably the most important part about changing out your taillights, besides that they look super cool, which I really love, is the brake lights. When you're braking, this is what the people behind you are gonna see, which is so much brighter and more effective than the original ones from Tesla. We're done with the exterior. Let's move to the interior. There are so many accessories in there. I can't wait to show you. Check out the interior of this Model Y. Wow, so many new items, things we've never done before and we've never had a chance to share. So here we go. The car originally came to us with a white interior, and you could tell that because the dash is still white, the dash decor, but everything else has been changed. The seats have been reupholstered using our blue leather quilted diamond pattern insert and white stitching on the outer areas of the seats, the bolsters. We went with that white stitch to tie in with the white dash decor. And then the door panel inserts were also reupholstered in blue leather, keeping and matching that diamond quilted look. Now, let's talk about a whole bunch of other new things we've never shown you before, starting off with this new swivel kit for the screen. Swivel it towards the passenger or to the driver. I love it when it's in driver mode because I feel like I'm in some sort of like a jet and I've got this extra screen that's really focused on me. Or for long drives, the passenger would really love to have more accessibility to the screen for navigation, for music, etc. So that's brand new. Now, steering wheel, matte carbon fiber on the top, brand new matte carbon fiber inserts on the steering wheel. The two stalks coming off of the steering wheel column are now matte carbon fiber. And check out the seat backs, matte carbon fiber seat backs, a first for us for Model Y. A lot of you guys have been asking for it, and we finally have that, and we also have it for the Model 3, by the way. So matte carbon fiber it is. What do you guys think? Would you have preferred this to be all gloss carbon fiber or maintain that matte satin finish? Love to hear your comments below. Now, some other small accessories that actually make all the difference, like for example, our pedals. The Model Y non-performance car comes with like regular rubber pedals. We've got these really cool aluminum ones with rubber inserts. It's a very affordable accessory, very easy to install, and it's just a nice little touch. And now what we're going to do is let's go back to the trunk, and I'm going to show you probably the smallest accessory that we offer, but it's extremely effective. So when you open up the hatch of your Model Y, there's one little basic light here from Tesla, and it's not very bright at all. We have a very quick, easy plug and play, super bright LED, brand new light that kind of illuminates the hatch area. Very effective, very affordable, but really a must-have. That's it for today, Tesla fans. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.